Good morning. Myself Dr. Manohara, HOD Department of Physics, Government First Aid College, Davangere. Today I explain the experiment, the determination of the absorption coefficient of beta particle in case of aluminum using GM counter. So this is the procedure for how to determine the absorption coefficient of a aluminum foil using beta particles. So required equipments are GM counter, then with the detector, and these are the different thickness of aluminum foils measured by using the different thickness in terms of millimeter. So then beta particle. First we have to set up the GM counter. For operation voltage is around 500 degree. Then the time limit for 60 seconds or 1 minute. Then first you have to take the, without any radioactive source and aluminum foil, you can take the background count before starting the experiment. Then just after setting this GM counter, switch on start button, then the counts or radiations are going to record without any radioactive sources. After completion of this 60 seconds, then automatically it will be completed the time. Then you have to record the radiation produced in the without the radioactive source. Then that is recorded using in our observation. So after this, then you have to select a suitable beta radiation, then keep in the place of, with the help of the holder, by distance between the detector to the radioactive source around 4 to 5 terminals. Then you have to keep the aluminum foil holder above the radioactive source. Then now the thickness of this aluminum foil is 0. It means there is no aluminum foil. Again you have to press the start button. Then again you can wait for 60 seconds then to record the radiation counted in the given table. That is, we can call as completely the corresponding thickness and number of counts produces for without thickness. The counts is produced around 875. Then similarly replacing the different thickness of the aluminum foil, then each time after completion of the complete time, then start the button, then record the observed counts till to the last foil. Afterwards, you can switch on by making the 0 voltage of the GM counter, then you go for calculation part. Afterwards, so you can, before going to switch on, you have to record once again after completion of the experiment. So without radioactive source and without aluminum foil, you can take the readings that we call as background count for 60 seconds. Then take the average of background counts. Then you have to go for the calculation. Then you have to measure the observed counts for corresponding thickness. Then find out actual counts by taking the difference between observed counts and background counts. Then that gives the actual counts. Afterwards, take log of all actual counts, then plot the graph of the log n versus thickness of the aluminum foil. The shape of the graph comes in the linear, negative linear source. Then you can find out the slope of that graph. That gives the slope as, that is y-axis divided by x-axis. Then you get the slope as around 2. Then afterwards, by using the formula, you can find out absorption coefficient. The formula mu equal 2.303 into slope. So substitute and simplify, you get around 4 centimeter cube per gram. That gives the absorption coefficient of the given aluminum foil using beta particle with the help of the GM counter. Thank you.